Hey guys, it's Caleb with MarineMax Lake Norman. Today I wanted to show you a fresh trade we got in. It's a 2021 Malibu 24 MXZ. Super sporty boat, awesome surf wave on it. Point out some of the features. This is the MXZ model, so it's got the pickled fork bow, extra seating up here. You got the breakaway tongue, custom Malibu trailer by Boatmate, dual axle, upgraded rims on it. This one's got the clamping board racks, actuating tower here. You got really nice bimini shade on this one too. You have surfboard pockets in the top of that as well. Spots to hang your life jackets. It's really just got everything. Swinging around to the back here, you'll notice this one has the automatic surf gates by Malibu. Most popular surf system out there. Comes with a power wedge. You have the surf pipe as well, directs all your exhaust down into the prop wash, and so your rider's not getting any exhaust in their face. You got the flip down swim seat here. It's a nice touch. You got rear view camera. You have a stereo head back here. Nice seating for when you're out at the sandbar, anchored out. You do have storage underneath these as well. And then nice non-skid walk up and walk through over the engine compartment. Let's check out the inside. All right, hopping onto the inside here, you'll notice how clean this boat is. Interior is in phenomenal condition. You got nice sun pads back there, hang out and get a suntan. Moving on the inside, this is 24 foot, so you got a ton of room that seats 17 people. You got a nice flip down step entry here on the side. You have storage underneath all your seats. This comes with a nice little glove compartment there. And then you also have a spot for your cooler that can slide in there as well. All right, moving on to the back here. This actually has the convertible seating layout where this can slide forward. This flips into a table. You want to put extra drinks or snacks out, and then this actually flips like that, and you can slide this out into a rear-facing seat. It's got a couple different levels to it. Put it flush with this seat back here. That way you got front row seats to the surf show in the back. Slide that back into position. Again, tons of seating here. You got tons of cup holders. You got chargers on all of your seating areas. So you got USB and 12 volt. More glove boxes throughout for storage. Wet sound system is incredible. You got, what, 5, 6 speakers in the cockpit here. You got 2 more up in the bow. You got 2 tower speakers here as well. Again, wanted to point out the clamping board racks here. These are super slick. You also got storage in the top. You got extra miscellaneous storage up here as well. Ski tow point or surf tow point up on top. And then moving around to the passenger side, you got tons of storage inside this compartment. The seat flips up, it all communicates. Glove box storage as well. You do have a wireless phone charging pad here and another USB-C and 12 volt inside there as well. Ski mirror up here as well. Moving over to the helm, you got 2 screens on this. Your control screen and your view screen. Both are touch screen. You can set up your surf wave, set up your lights, change anything you want. Everything is controlled through these screens. You got a nice phone holder over here as well, and a rotary encoder to use the screen here as well if you don't want to use the touch screen. Push button start, nice throttle assembly. Comes with a bolster on the captain's chair. This will swivel as well. All right, moving on up into the bow area. Again, this is the MXZ model, so you got the pickle fork bow. Gives you extra space up here for seating. Plenty of room to stretch out. I like that it's got the filler cushion. Makes it feel like a full-size bed. Storage, tons of storage. You got storage in the seat backs here. You got phone slots and phone chargers. Again, more speakers, more cup holders. Just a great spot to hang out. All right, wrapping up this video here. Wanted to mention this boat has the Monsoon M6 DI motor. It's 430 horsepower. It's got 4,900 pounds of ballast, one of the best surf boats in the industry. If you guys like this boat or want to know more, see me at the store here or give me a call. Thanks for watching.